A month after introducing the Pixel 8a, Google is gearing up for the global launch of the Pixel 9 series. The company has teased the release schedule for August 13. However, Google has not disclosed the number of devices included in the Pixel 9 series. Reports suggest that the timing is strategic, positioning the launch a month ahead of Apple's anticipated iPhone 16 unveiling in September. The Made by Google keynote will start at 10 a.m. and will be streamed live on YouTube. According to the event invitation, Google will showcase the best of its AI, Android and Pixel devices. We are expecting the launch of the new Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro, and rumors suggest a new Pixel Pro variant and a Pixel Fold, renamed as Pixel 9 Pro Fold, could also be introduced. While Google is keeping most details under wraps, here's a look at what we know about the Pixel 9 lineup based on rumors and speculations. The Pixel 9 series is expected to bring major upgrades in design, performance and functionality. The Pixel 9 Pro models might offer two size options, a standard 6.1-inch and a larger 6.7-inch OLED display. Both screens are likely to have high refresh rates and excellent color accuracy for a vivid and smooth visual experience. According to leaks, the actual model will boast a 6.7-inch display. The Pixel 9 Pro models are also expected to feature a new design with a reduced camera bar contained with a vertical pill shaped on the back. Google might introduce a new feature called Adaptive Touch, which enhances the screen's responsiveness to various conditions such as environmental factors and screen protectors. As for colors, the Pixel 9 Pro could come in black, white, green and pink. The Pixel 9 series will be powered by the Tensor G4 chip, Google's custom processor. The chip is expected to bring significant improvements in performance and AI capabilities. Developed with Samsung, it should offer better thermal management and efficiency. However, some reports suggest the chip upgrade might be smaller than expected. The Pixel 9 Pro models could also come with up to 16 GB of RAM, allowing for smooth multitasking and enhanced performance, especially for AI-driven applications. The cameras are the highlight of the Pixel series, and the Pixel 9 is expected to continue this tradition. The Pixel 9 Pro models will likely feature a triple lens setup with advanced computational photography capabilities. Rumors indicate a large sensor on the camera island supporting variable aperture for superior low light performance and creative photography options. Enhanced AI features such as the Magic Editor and new functionalities powered by the Gemini Nano AI and are also expected to provide cutting-edge photo and video editing tools. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.